Josh, it's about to warm up.
It is.
Out there big time. Yeah.
Hey, maybe a great time to go out for a nice swim to cool
right.
off. Yeah, many of us will be finding ways to stay cool here in the coming days as the temperatures are expected to spike dramatically from this afternoon compared to even to tomorrow as the skies are now clearing. All thanks to our Hotel Indigo Kirkland Tower camera for giving us this hazy view. You can see it there off along the horizon as wildfires continue to burn across our state. As our current temperature out at PDX is at 75 degrees, we'll be getting back up into the mid 80s as we work our way into the afternoon and evening hours as our winds are out of the northwest at about 3 right now. As far as that weather swing goes, definitely going from the 80s back up to the upper 90s for tomorrow. It will be about a 10-degree temperature jump as the hot and dry conditions still remain across our area. You can see potentially tying a record for tomorrow, 98 degrees. That's expected to be our afternoon high, and 98 is the current record last set back in 2015, well above the average of about 84 for this time of year, and we stay above the average as we work our way into the weekend and the beginning of next week. Of course, this coming off the heels of a very hot month of July for us here in Portland, seeing our average temperature at about 74.5 degrees. Of course, we still have today that will likely either stabilize or maybe go up by another point or so. But regardless, definitely the hottest July we have felt on record here in the Portland metro area. As the month of August is clipping at our heels, 82 degrees is our new average daytime high temperature, 59 that overnight low, and this is our second driest month of the year, averaging just a little bit more than a ½ inch of moisture. Now, this is also expected to be our warmest month of the year, August, and we do cool things down by the final day of the month, rounding out at about 80 degrees. Now, over the next month or so, we do expect to see temperatures to trend slightly on the warmer side as our rain chances. We've got about an equal chance here out towards the west, but you'll notice below normal precipitation is likely out towards the east as our air quality continues to suffer. We would like to see the return of rain not only to reduce the wildfire threat, but also to wash out our skies as the air quality falls back to the hazardous level out towards Oak Ridge and Lane County. Now the smoke, it's on the move. You'll notice fires burning towards Northern California is going to help to funnel in some hazy conditions for us in the upper layers of the atmosphere for Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening, so likely going to be a hazy day for Thursday, and that will take us into Friday as well, as the impacts of our air quality are primarily found out towards Lane and Douglas County, but have the potential to be reduced here in the I-5 corridor as high pressure is the culprit for all of that wildfire smoke being driven further to the north, along with the excessive heat that will once again return to much of the Pacific Northwest. So it's really going to start to feel like summer once again as we roll our way into Thursday, Friday, and even into the weekend. But for today, 86 degrees are expected afternoon high. Winds out of the north-northwest at about 5 to 10. Tonight, still calm, quiet, and clear. Mild, with our temperatures only falling back into the mid-60s. And our 7-day forecast does have a KOIN 6 weather alert in place once again for Thursday, with those temperatures for some of us approaching the triple-digit mark. 102 not out of the question for some of us, as those temperatures still remain well above average into the weekend, the start of next week. Still holding on to those 90s as we should be hovering in towards the mid-80s for the first full week of the month of August. Hard to believe August is already here.
Yeah.
And boy, is it going to feel like it.
Yeah, I mean, tomorrow's August 1st, so this is kind of what you would expect.
Yeah, but 98 still going to be warm on the toasty side.
Yeah. All right, thanks, Josh. We'll be right back.